everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Style with Nuberita, and I'm back again with another top haul. Yes, another top haul. I like top haul so much. So I'm back again with under one, and these are super affordable, very stylish and very trendy. तो ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते हैं, time waste नहीं करते हैं, and let's start the haul. So the first one is this top, and you can see this top. This is very trendy, sorry, elegant, stylish. At the same time, मुझे ये top बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगा. I can style this top for like parties and all, and concerts वगैरह के लिए भी मैं इसको style कर सकती हूँ. It's I can create that girl look in this top. तो मुझे तो ये top बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. It's of animal print and it's a regular length. It's sleeveless. The neck is round neck, and it's a like a fabric. It's very soft and comfortable. It's very lightweight also. I'm feeling very comfortable wearing this top, and summers के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा होगा because when I'm wearing this top I'm feeling very comfortable. The sizes available are from extra small to large. I got extra small size and I love the fitting. It's just body hugging me so perfectly. I just love the whole fitting. बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा है. The price of this is 179, and with discount I got it just 155. So 155 for this beautiful trendy stylish top. It just wow, like 155 में मुझे ये top मिल गया, which is so elegant, so classy. I can create so many outfits like cool type outfits, and with this top तो मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगा. It's so cheap, just 155, and 155 में मुझे इतने अच्छे material का या अच्छे look दे रहा है ये top, and fitting भी इतना बढ़िया है. So I think you should also definitely go for this top. The next top is this one. You can see this top. This top is also very stylish, trendy, and बहुत ही ज़्यादा beautiful है ये top. It's a black color and we have beautiful butterfly print on it. And to be honest, मैंने ये brown color का order किया था, जो brown color का top था, and it has white color butterfly print. तो they gave wrong color, black आया. Black भी अच्छा ही लग रहा है, but मैंने brown order किया था, तो I'm little disappointed कि wrong color आया. So let's talk about the top. Top is very beautiful, very stylish, and it's giving great look. Yeah, and it's sleeveless. It's a regular length. The neck is round neck, and the fabric is like a fabric. It's light and comfortable to wear, and summers के लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा है. The sizes available are from small to extra large, and because मैं extra small size पहनती हूँ and small ये small size का है, तो it's little loose for me. Not loose, you can say. It's like okay for me. Not giving that great fitting. जो एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल साइज में पहनती हूँ तो देता है. सो yeah, I didn't like the fitting. It's not giving a great look to me. The price of this is 209, and with discount I got 185. So 185 is okay for this top क्योंकि material अच्छा है. Fitting आप आपके size का ही लोगे तो obviously fitting बहुत अच्छा आएगा. I wear extra small size, and small size है ये, that's why it's not giving that great fitting, and material भी इतना अच्छा है. So and price भी 185 है, so it's okay. Color mistake उन लोगों ने किया, but हो सकता है गलती से ही किया हो और right color आ भी जाए, so you can try. So yeah. So the next one is this top, and you can see this top. This is so cute, so beautiful, so trendy, so stylish. ये top मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगा. It's of light pink color, and it's looking very cute and very beautiful. It's of the length is of regular length. It's sleeveless, the neck is round neck. It's of jacquard fabric, and let me say it is very lightweight and very comfortable. Summers के लिए तो बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable है. It's so lightweight, and I'm feeling so comfortable wearing this top. तो मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगा. The sizes available for this top are from extra small to extra large, and I got extra small size जो मेरे size का है, and extra small size भी available है. So it's great, and you can see the fitting. I love the fitting so much. Fitting तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ही इसका अच्छा लगा. It's giving a great fitting, and the price of this is 172, and with discount I got it 146. Like 146 for this beautiful top is that's so good क्योंकि मटेरियल बहुत अच्छा है. आई एम फीलिंग सो कंफर्टेबल. इट्स लाइट वेट, एंड फिटिंग भी बहुत ज़्यादा ही बढ़िया दे रहा है, एंड इट्स लुकिंग सो क्यूट, सो स्टाइलिश ऑल्सो एट द सेम टाइम, एंड 146 में मिला. सो इट्स लाइक जस्ट वाओ, एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट you should also definitely go for this top because it's giving such a cute, beautiful, and it's so comfortable also. So yeah. So the next one is this one, and this one also you can say it's very cute, very stylish, and it's looking very beautiful. Also, I can stand this top in like for college wear or for casual wear, office wear, and cute outfits भी मैं इसके साथ create कर सकती हूँ. So I really love this top also, and it's a collar top. So we have collar, and the sleeves are short sleeves, and the length is regular length, and it's a white color, and I love the brown color detailing on the top, like in the end of the sleeves, and in the collar it's brown color, the collar is brown color. So I love the brown color detailing, जिसकी वजह से ये टॉप ज्यादा क्यूट लग रहा है, ज्यादा और शाइन कर रहा है. सो सिर्फ वाइट होता तो इतना शाइन नहीं करता. सो आई लव द डिटेलिंग, एंड द लेंथ इज रेगुलर लेंथ, and yeah, it's very beautiful. The fabric is like a fabric, and yeah, it's very comfortable, very lightweight also. So I'm feeling very comfortable wearing this top. The sizes available are from small to extra large, and yes, I got small size, and because I got small size, it's giving a good fitting, like thoda bahut loose, not loose also I can say. It's like good, not that perfect fitting, but good fitting. इतना loose भी नहीं हो रहा है, but slide like थोड़ा सा ही मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा है. सो लाइक इट्स गिविंग अ गुड फिटिंग, बट एंड बिकॉज मैं एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल साइज पहनती हूँ, सो आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. एंड एक्चुअली द थिंग इज कभी कभी स्मॉल साइज मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा परफेक्टली फिटिंग हो जाता है. सो आई गो फॉर स्मॉल साइजेस ऑल्सो, बट या आई लव द फिटिंग ओवरऑल. अच्छा ही है, बट नॉट दैट परफेक्ट फिटिंग. एंड द प्राइस ऑफ दिस इज 219, and with discount I got at 196. 196 is very perfect for this top, because हम इसको डिफरेंट ओकेजन्स या कॉलेज में कैजुअल शॉपिंग वगैरह के लिए जा रहे हैं, या फिर ऑफिस वेयर वगैरह के लिए भी ये इसको स्टाइल कर सकती हूँ. एंड द फैब्रिक इज सो गुड, एंड आप अपने साइज का लोगे तो फिटिंग भी बहुत बढ़िया आएगा, क्वालिटी इतना अच्छा है. सो आई थिंक 196 इज गुड फॉर योर टॉप, बिकॉज इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल. ऑल्सो दैट टॉप इज सो ब्यूटीफुल. सो या. So the next one is this top, and you can see this top. This is so beautiful, so cute, so stylish, and it's looking so Pinteresty. ये top तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगा. Like out of all, ये मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. It's my favorite, and it's a white color. The sleeves are short sleeve. The length is of regular length. We have a pocket in the top, and the neck is V neck, and we have little collar type design. Not actually, it's not a collar, but little collar type design, and it's like a short type, like open type, which is attached, and that's why it's like little ruffles are also there in middle of the टॉप, विच इज़ गिविंग वेरी क्यूट एंड मोर पिंटरेस्टी वाइब. सो मुझे तो ये टॉप बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगा. द लेंथ इज रेगुलर लेंथ, एंड आई कैन स्टाइल दिस टॉप फॉर कैजुअल ओकेजन्स ऑल्सो. आई कैन फॉर वेकेशन ऑल्सो आई कैन क्रिएट cute looks, office, college, girls ke sath outing, date nights, anywhere I can style this top, and it's looking so beautiful. And it's of like a fabric. It's very soft and comfortable. I'm feeling very comfortable wearing this top, and the color is also so perfect for summers. Like summers में light colors अच्छे लगते हैं. I love the that vibe also, so बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा है. The sizes available for this top are from extra small to extra large. Like extra large size तक भी है ये top. So you can definitely go for your type, and we have different color option also, light pink and lavender color. So both the other colors are also very Pinterest and very cute. You can definitely go for whichever color you like. मुझे तो ये white बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, so I went for this color. The price of this was 209, and with discount I got 190. 190 is so perfect for this top, because fitting okay, I forgot to say about my fitting. I got extra small size, and you can see the fitting. It's fitting so perfectly. I love the fitting, very perfect. And the price is 190, and I was saying that कि बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा price है, because fitting बढ़िया है, material बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा. It's giving such a cute Pinteresty look. I can style this top for different occasions, so I think it's perfect. And you can go for this top with the other colors also, whichever color you like. So yeah. So these were some tops that I got from Meesho this time. मुझे तो सारे अच्छे लगे, बहुत ज़्यादा क्यूट, बहुत ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश, एंड सारे बहुत ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल है. एंड अगर आपको भी कोई भी टॉप अच्छा लगा, I'll give the links in the description. You can click on the link and you can get whichever top you like. And अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा, then do like and comment. And अगर आपको haul videos पसंद है, then do subscribe my channel, because I'll be coming with more and more haul videos. For now, I'll say bye bye guys. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.